Hi guys, welcome back to Crafty Cabbage. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a word search for yourselves. It's a free and easy way to do it. Only takes about 5 minutes. No making accounts, no nothing. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so go on Google or your browser and search up A to Z teacher stuff. And then search that. And then the top link, A to Z teacherstuff.com. And then you should be greeted by a page that looks something like this. Go over to Worksheet Maker. And this is a really great website because it has all kinds of different like puzzles and worksheets you can make. And then click on the word search maker. And then you should be greeted by a page that looks something like this. If you want, you can read this, but it's just explaining how to use it. So then you just type in like whatever you want it to be called, like Jim's word search, whatever you want to be on the very top. Type in your words, like different words, whatever words, and then go to a new line for each one. I'm doing random words. And then once you have a fair amount, you want to have at least, I say, 10. But you can do less. It just helps. Just whatever amount you want. But I'm just going to stick with, I think 7 or 8. So here's where you can do different shapes. So you can change the columns, like the rows and the columns, from anywhere from 5 to 50, as many as you want of that. You can do different grid styles. There's a car, heart, diamond, spiral, star, X, train, and a bunch of other ones. I like the triangle the best. Then pick any one of these fonts. Just stick with that. You can choose uppercase or lowercase. And if for different sizes, like if you wanted it bigger, just type in a slightly bigger size. And if this is for if you want it easier, you can only have forwards words only, or backwards, diagonal words only, no diagonal words, up and down words only, no up and downs. Up here, if you didn't want to type in words, you could pick a number of the words from your list. Like if you didn't want all the words, but you wanted some of the words, you could be like, if you had 20, you could type in 10, and it would select the top 10. But since we don't have that much, we're not going to do that. Or use an existing word list, like all kinds of things: months of the year, days of the week, 50 states, colors, 50 state capitals, all kinds of things. You can change the language, placement of the words. You can have it on the right or the bottom. And you can hide the word list, sort word list alphabetically. Anyway, once you've got your word search the way you want, you can hit Create Puzzle. And it'll take you to a page like this. And if you were to print it here, you would have all these weird ads at the top, which you do not want. So click here to print this page without advertisements. And then it'll give you your word search all done. It's super easy way to make a word search, and then just print it. And one thing that it does do is it wants you to print it it'll have 2 pages. The second page is blank. So just change that to the first page. Hit print and your word search is complete. Thanks so much for watching. If you aren't subscribed, then make sure to hit that big red subscribe button down below. Make sure to watch all my other videos if you like this one. I do ukulele videos and I do different craft videos, and I post every week. Make sure to subscribe and give this video a like if you like this video. See you in my next video. Bye!